Hello folks, it's the 21st of July 2025 and no change down here at the Central Club. And the other bit of news is that Bonny Street Market may be reopening. We give credit to the old Blackpool biker for that one. That's where I first heard about it. And I've got a video on my channel of Bonny Street Market from about 11 years ago. But because of that news, I shall put it again at the end of this video. And as always, thanks for watching.
Prices.
All these guns?
Your dad doesn't like it either, but like his hair's not.
I'll try to take a picture then.
Committed to helping you buy or sell your home. So don't waste your time. Use a company who knows the market and will
Truck boys come and tell him I'm on the beach, mate.
Small doors are £3, medium to £5, and your large is normally £10. £7 today, where you get the whole set for £10. But the main thing is, can you see a difference?
I thought there's some bargaining on here today.
Oh,
Thanks a lot.
Yes, please.
And then we'll come back.
Kieran.